Welcome to Global Vibes, an information channel for Smart Living Journal. Did you know that nearly 80% of Americans experience stress? This is a shocking number and highlights why many seek alternative ways to manage anxiety. Yoga, as a holistic practice, combines postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to reduce stress effectively. If you're new to yoga, starting with gentle poses can significantly help calm your mind and improve overall well-being. Let's dive into how yoga affects the nervous system. Regular practice activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the fight-or-flight response caused by stress. It helps decrease stress hormones, improves heart rate variability, and enhances mood by releasing endorphins. The mind-body connection is essential. Yoga increases awareness of bodily sensations and emotional states, helping you to manage stress better. Deep breathing and focused movements create a sense of balance within, reducing physical tension. Before you begin, it's crucial to set up a calming environment. Adjust the lighting, temperature, and minimize noise to create a peaceful space. Remember, yoga is about being present, not achieving perfect poses. Using props like bolsters and blocks can make your practice comfortable and accessible. Focus on deep, diaphragmatic breathing to enhance relaxation and calm your mind. Now, let's explore some gentle poses suitable for relieving stress. Begin with Child's Pose, Balasana. Kneel, sit back on your heels, stretch your arms out, and lower your head to the ground. This pose calms both the mind and body. Next, practice Legs Up the Wall Pose, Viparita Karani. Lie on your back with your legs up against the wall for 5 to 10 minutes. This pose helps to reverse blood flow and calm the nervous system. Incorporate seated poses like Easy Pose, Sukhasana, for comfort, and seated forward bend, Uttanasana, to alleviate tension in your back. Don't overlook standing poses. Try Mountain Pose, Tadasana, to improve posture and establish grounding. Practice standing forward. Bend, Uttanasana, to stretch the back and calm your mind. Gentle back bends like Bridge Pose help open your chest, while Cobra Pose strengthens your back and improves mood. To round off your practice, restorative poses such as Reclining Bound, Angle Pose, Baddha Konasana, and Corpse Pose, Savasana, allow you to relax deeply, reinforcing the benefits of your yoga session. Establishing a personal routine can amplify these benefits. If you're pressed for time, try a quick 5-minute relief sequence with neck stretches and seated poses. For a more profound practice, consider a 15-minute sequence incorporating standing and gentle back bends. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes each day can lead to significant improvements in your mental clarity and overall well-being. Start today. Incorporate these gentle yoga poses to relieve stress and cultivate a calm, resilient mind. Let yoga transform your life and enhance your mental health journey. Thanks for watching the video. To learn more, visit smartlivingjournal.com.